I'm so excited to open it with you guys. But first, click that subscribe button and the notification bell because I love you guys. Do you remember that we do a squishy card in every video?
Well, we received a lot of requests from you guys to do something a little different. So we have an
LOL card.
As you all know, we give away squishies in every single video. In this special episode, we will be giving away an LOL from this LOL surprise card.
And I have a special surprise for you guys, so stay tuned. Ooh, look, there's a picture. Oh, look, there's Punk Boy. Let's open the cover. Let's open this one. We have the new Jumbo Unicorn Pick-Me-Pop.
But first, we did a Silly Squishies Narwhal Cake Squishy giveaway a few videos back. And our random winner is... Congratulations, guys!
Let's open it. Her name is Dream the Unicorn. I like all the gold and I like the rainbows that are on her hair and her tail. Which charm is your favorite? We have a smushy mushy surprise. We have Padma Panda. We got Cherry Chica.
These are color-changing squishies.
I will put it in the freezer and come right back. Let's open an LOL pet. This is the Wave 2 pet. Let's open the litter box. We found a collar. Ooh. We have Fuzzy Bear. She's super cute. We have a push-me-up. These are the new Pick-Me-Pop surprises. Wow! This one is so cute. Chocolate. We have put in the pony. Let's open something else. Let's open the Little Sisters.
Don't forget, guys, we have a surprise coming soon.
We have Little Chicky Babe. Let's open another surprise. Aha! Here's the clue. We got a gold ball! Woo! We got Puppy! I like her gold scooper. It's sparkly. Here's Puppy. Let's pick a next surprise. Confetti Pop! Woo!
Who are we gonna get?
We have Go-Go Girl.
Okay guys, we have something hidden deep inside the lollipop. Ollie, can you search for it?
We got an LOL purple pearl.
We want to thank you guys so much for supporting us here at Kids Toys and Joys. So here is our purple pearl surprise giveaway. All you have to do is be one of our amazing friends here at Kids Toys and click that like button and share this video on social media. Full details of the giveaway are in the description box below. You will have an opportunity to enter 2 times, once in this video and another in our next upcoming video of our unboxing purple pearl surprise. So you'll have a total of 2 times to enter. All you have to do is comment below purple pearl for this video so we know that you are entering. And also don't forget you guys, there's still time to enter our blue surprise giveaway. We will have the link to this video in the description box below. Okay Ollie, what time is it?
LOL surprise card.
And if you want us to have more LOL surprise card giveaways, simply click that like button. Okay Ollie, pick an LOL surprise.
Our random LOL winner is...
Congratulations you guys! Simply message us here on YouTube or on Instagram at Kids Toys and Joys.
I love you guys.
Thank you so much for being our amazing friends here at Kids Toys. We had so much fun opening this huge lollipop with you guys. We hope you liked it too.
We will see you guys in another video soon. I love you.